Whenever I'm in my kitchen and I'm having a heavy recipe testing day, it's often really hard for me to stop what I'm doing and make myself a big lunch. So after my first recipe was done, which was a big fail by the way, I back to Whole Foods to get more ingredients to retest it. And then I also grabbed a few boxes of Back to Nature's new mini crackers to make myself a super quick and easy snack plate. The minis come in 2 different flavors, sour cream and onion, which is one of my all-time favorite types of flavors, and also garlic and herb. I love anything mini, and these were the perfect little crispy bite-sized crackers. I brought my snack plate to the couch and wrote out my recipe notes from the first test while I quickly ate it, and then it was time to finish some buns.